Now here is how you can search for a person on Google Photos. Let me show you how it works, and if you're new here, subscribe so we can get started. So at first we need to get to the Google Photos app, of course, and make sure that you are signed in with a proper Google account and that you can access everything. But at first we need to make sure we have the face grouping enabled as a feature. So you can tap on your profile in at the top right and find the Google Photos settings, which are right there and at the bottom like this, and you can see like backups, notifications, and so on. But I want you to tap on preferences right here and the group similar faces. So there's just one toggle for it, face groups, so you need to enable it like that. And you can as well see the show pets with people and so on. I would recommend you to keep that turned on. And now if I return back to the main photos page, I can go to the collections right here, right, and see some things about me. And once you create the or turn on the face grouping, you should be able to go to the collections and see the faces of people which get recognized. It depends on the, on your phone. It might take a while for it to work, but then you can tap on individual person like this, and you can see it takes up a lot of them, but you can tap on one and literally give it a name like this, and you will be able to add a name to that particular person, and that way you will have the ability to look it up later through that name and make sure that you can find what you are looking for. So let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna see you later in the future uploads.